Welcome to Accessing Zoom, a how-to tutorial for the Online Master of Social Work program at Boise State University. Zoom is one of the many tools available to you through the myBoiseState app, and is an online platform for video conferencing, screen sharing, and recording. You will use this tool for a variety of program activities, including your admissions interview, field advising sessions, and other synchronous course requirements. To use Zoom, you will need a device with a webcam and microphone. Any device will do, but for more formal meetings, such as your admissions interview, we recommend using a device that enables you to speak hands-free. We also recommend using a headset with a microphone attached to reduce background noise. They range in price from $10 to $70 and can be purchased online or at a local electronics store. You can also use the headset throughout the program. To access Zoom, visit my.boisestate.edu. If you have never logged into your myBoiseState student account, you'll first need to create your password by selecting the Future Students/Guest link. From the Guest screen, select Reset/Create Password. You'll then need to enter your username and click Continue. Follow the steps on the subsequent pages to set up your password. For assistance creating or resetting your password, visit oit.boisestate.edu. Once you've set your password, you can log into your account by selecting the Sign In button. Once logged in, select the Student View button to access additional account options. From the Services area on the right-hand side of the screen, select the link for BroncoMail, your student email account. From BroncoMail, you can access Zoom from either an email or calendar invitation. To access a Zoom meeting from an email invitation, simply locate the email in your inbox. When you open the email, you will see a link for a video call. Select this link to access the Zoom meeting for this particular invitation. To access the calendar invitations, open the Google Calendar app using the Google Apps toolbar, then select Calendar. Once in the calendar, locate your appointment and view the details by double-clicking on the appointment. From the appointment details, you will also see a link to access the video call for this invitation. Once you have selected the link for the video, you'll arrive at the Zoom meeting. Be sure to follow the prompts on the webpage and click Open Zoom Meetings. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the controls for your video and microphone. To test your microphone, click the arrow next to the mute button, select Test Speakers and Microphone, and follow the prompts to ensure you can hear and be heard during your meeting. It's always a good idea before starting a meeting to arrive early enough so that you can test your equipment and feel prepared for your meeting. If you have any questions or need additional assistance accessing a Zoom meeting, you can contact the program support staff at mswonline@boisestate.edu.